Welcome all of you in continuing e-learning classes Snehana Part 2, Department of Panchkarma. As you know, in previous class we have learned about what is the Snehan Karma, external and internal evaluation, what is the indication and contraindications of this therapy. In today class, we will learn about importance of Abhyang, its benefits, Udvartan Karma and its indications and contraindications and benefits, and how long it will be done on the patient. In this class, we will learn about importance of Abhyang Karma, benefits of Abhyang Karma, Udvartan Karma, its definition, its indications, contraindications, benefits, and how long we will perform it on the patient. So now, importance of Abhyang Karma. Purva Karma helps to move the dosas from Sakha to coast and can be excreted from their nearest route of excretion. The evacuation of morbid, spoiled, and vitiate dosas initiate since preliminary procedures. This is an effort to make up the body and its dosas in a proper state of elimination of arm dosa and toxins. Also helps the pradhan karma to produce positive and stable response to the body. Purkarma establishes a smooth and flexible pathway to the dosas and transferred energy to move their vitiate sites sakha to the main compartment of the body kosta and prepared to removed from the body easily. Apart from this, it is also helps to digest arm, thus help to detoxify the body because non-excretion of amadosa can damage the body tissue. Benefits of Abhyanga Karma nourishes minds and body, rejuvenates the whole body, increases longevity, delaying aging, relieves fatigue, builds stamina, promotes deeper sleep, enhances complexion and luster of skin, cleans the body, detoxify the body, helps avoid stress and enjoy a bright of senses, prevents stiffness of muscles, correct digestion and blood pressure and enjoy better sleep. Days and duration. How long this procedure can be performed on the patient or individuals? Generally 50 minutes is sufficient for adults and 40 to 45 minutes may be sufficient for children. Normally 150 ml of oil is enough for adults and 100 ml is sufficient for children in generalized Abhyanga karma. During Abhyang, oil should be lukewarm up to 38.6 degree to 38.7 degree centigrade. Temperature in adults, in children it will be 39.4 to 39.7 is tolerable. Sneha Dravya generally used as Snehanakaram are Chandan, Bala Lakshadi Tel, Narayan Tel, Mahanarayan Tel, Mahamasadi Tel, Bala Tel, Mahashadi Tel, Lakshadi Tel, Dhanvantar Tel, Chir Bala Tel, Dashmula Tel, Visgarva Tel, Karpuradi Tel, etc. Now Paschat Karma. After the application of oil, ask patient to sit quietly for one muhurt near about 45 minutes. In case of children, it may be 15 to 20 minutes. It helps to allow the oil to be properly absorbed by skin. During this time, may be used for meditation or do other dincharya like pranayam, breathing practices, and others. Once the oil has absorbed nicely, ask a patient to go for wash it off by taking a shower. Udvartan Karma. Now we will learn about Udvartan Karma. Udvartan is one of the Baha'i Parimarjan Chikisha. The word meaning of Udvartan denotes rubbing of the body. Udvartan is a procedure where a group of medicated herbs which are in the powder form is rubbed all over the body in a specialized technique and for a specified time. Charak Susrut Bhagavad all of told about Udvartanakaram. Udvartanam Kafaram Vedasa Pravilapanam Strikaranam Anganam Tvaka Karam Param. And in Charak Samhita Dorganyam Gauravam Tandra Kandu Mal Arochakam Swed Bivat Sahanti Sarira Parimarjanam. Charak Sutristan 5. ऊर्ध्वर्तनं वातरं कफमेधो विलापनं स्त्रीकरणम् अंगानां त्वक्प्रसादकरं परम सुश्रुतचिकित्सास्थान 24. Udvartan, it's a important therapy and beneficial for obesity and slimming procedures and weight reduction purpose. Udvartana has been included as a part of Dincharya and can be done daily. In general, Abhyang in opposite direction with twisting the body is called Udvartana Karma. In other way, we can say sponging of the body with dry herb powder is also called Udvartan Karma. This massage is opposite direction of hair follicles with high pressure. Now indications of Udvartan Karma. Obesity, varicosity, neurological disorder with muscle stiffness, lipomas, neurofibromas, diabetes neuropathy, Parkinson's disease, muscular dystrophy, hemiplegic conditions, body sweat, hemiplegic conditions, clogging pores or acne on the posterior surface of the body, backside, sluggish lymphatic system, cellulite, reduce subcutaneous fat tissue, help to destroy the body odor, heaviness in body, drowsiness in body, itching sensation of the body. These are the indications of Udvartana Karma. Contraindications of Udvartana Karma. In following condition, we cannot perform Udvartana Karma. In high Pitta condition, Pitta related disorder, high inflammation, redness, rise in local temperature, burning sensation, disease with severe pain like degenerative arthritis, colic, presence of wounds and cuts, presence of burns, too dry skin, typically Vata constitution, old age, kids and infants, pregnancy, oozing skin condition like eczema. Types of Udvartana Karma. There are three types of Udvartan: Udvartan, Udgharshan and Utsadan. Udvartan is it creates Pravilapan and Bimlapan. Udgharshan it's a dry and rough drugs are used in this type of Udvartan. Utsadan is a medicated paste with Snehan is applied all over the body. Material useful in Udvartan Karma. Triphala powder, green gram powder, besan powder, ginger powder, trikatu powder, barley powder. Benefits of Udvartana Karma. This treatment deals with deep cleansing the skin and helps in flush out the lymphatic toxins from the body. It is designed to remove excess subcutaneous fat by liquefying and burning it. It is also useful in weight management, cellulite reduction. It gives skin complexion and skin toning. Benefits of Udvartana Karma. Increases the blood circulation, purify the blood, help to reduce pain, inflammation and stiffness, help in the lymphatic drainage. The mode of action of the Udvartana Karma. The therapeutic action of the treatment Udvartana is based on the pharmacological activity of the medicine used in Udvartana Karma. The Svedana Karma, which is induced by Udvartan therapy, is the transmission of energy in the form of motion with pressure. Skin is the largest organ and has a large surface area. It is one of the important excretory organ and the excretory products of metabolism are removed continuously from the body through the skin. Udvartana help in excretion of these substances from the body. In continuation of mode of action, Udvartan Karm has when the procedure starts the deep pressure massage helps the interchange of tissue fluid by increasing the circulation in the superficial vein and lymphatics and help in mechanical stimulation causing muscles to contract. It increases circulation mainly in the veins. The alternate pressure and relaxation bring fresh blood to the part and improves the nutrition of the particular area. The medicine which is having the pharmacological activities which are indicated for the particular disorder help to break down fibrocystic deposit in the neighborhood, thickening and adhesion in subacute and chronic condition. Increased blood supply because of the vasodilation stimulates both motor and sensory nerve ending to various parts of the body and increasing metabolism by which the toxins and free radicals which are responsible for the formation of the disease are excreted out the body. Exfoliation and conditioning of skin. Udvartan remove dirt, toxin and dead cells from the skin of the body and face. Udvartan is a skin cleanser and conditioner. Udvartan is a used in treatment of skin conditions like psoriasis for exfoliation. Udvartan also useful in good cosmetic purpose. Udvartan enhance skin quality and health and bring in good complexion and glow to the skin. It also enhance skin tone. Im- Udvartan improves blood circulation to the skin by dilates the opening and passageway of the body, thus improving the blood circulation and nutrition to all parts of the body, including skin. It's also used as a herbal deodorant. Udvartan reduces excessive sweating and removes bad odor of the body. Thus, we can say Udvartan act as a long-standing deodorant. The deodorant effect and freshness of the skin stay for a longer duration. If Udvartan is practiced daily as indicated by Ayurveda, we can keep our skin fresh and healthy throughout the day, avoiding foul smell and excessive sweating. Udvartan help in normalizing and regulating the gut fire and hence metabolism. Udvartan liquefy and dislodge the blocks in the body channels and cells which will further be eliminated by the administration of purgatives. This microcleansing enables the rectification of metabolism. It also useful in cellular metabolism and removes ama. With the rectification of Jatragni and Tatvagni, cell start throwing away the toxins and ama. Ama means intermediate product of cell metabolism which due to sticky tendency cause blockage in the cellular functions. Thus these clean themselves. Moreover, the presence of excess fat hampers all sort of metabolism, Udvartan being the best treatment to remove fat, uh, rectify metabolic process all over the body by liquefying and cleaning of the accumulated fat. In the end, de-stressing Udvartan also useful to de-stressing the body. The change induced by the mechanics of the Udvartan produce a de-stressing effect on the body and mind by the soothing the nerves and enhancing the supply of oxygen and nutrition to whole. Udvartan Karm increase the tone and strength of muscles. Udvartan tones up the body muscles and increase their strength. Muscles strength, according to Ayurveda, is directly proportional to good immunity. Improved mobility aids the joints. Udvartana removes accumulation from around the joints and relax them. It strengthens the joints and soft tissue and improves mobility in joints. It is also useful in improved sleep quality. Udvartan soothes the nerve and calm the hormone and also enhance the free flow of oxygen, nutrition and de-stressing happy hormones in the body. The body and mind will get a soothing relaxation. This is turn induce good sleep. Days and duration 30 to 60 minutes for 7 to 20 days. Generally, this procedure are performed on the patients or as directed by physician. In next three slides, you can see the procedure of Udvartan Karm performing on the patient. In last, we can say that the drugs which are useful in Udvartana Karma have hot potency, anacteous and dry in nature, which are useful in Rukshodvartan to alleviate cough, meda and ama. These drugs break the composition of morbid ama, cough and meda, liquefy, mobilize and throw them out of the body. This removes the blocks in all the cells, enables free transportation of nutrition. Oxygen is essential to all tissues, thus recharging and rejuvenating the all over the body. Thank you. Thanks again, all of you. We will meet again in next lecture.